Hi, for today's video is how to use Spotify offline. Being completely disconnected from Wi-Fi and data, whether in an airplane or rustic cabin in the woods, doesn't mean you need to be without your favorite music or podcast. If you're a premium subscriber, it only takes a few simple steps while you're still at home and on Wi-Fi to download your favorite content and ensure it's available when you go off the grid or up in the air. So first, I'm gonna show you if my Wi-Fi connection or mobile data is off. See, it's already off. And to show you to open Spotify, I have downloaded a song a while ago. So here, it's now here on the playlist, downloaded songs. So you can play that even you are not online. To download your music, just make sure that you're online, then search for the content you want, then select playlist, album, or podcast you want to listen offline. Then download it, then you can listen it offline. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!